Alright, we're back now for take 2 bandsaw tire fun. So, you probably just saw trimming the bandsaw tires. If not, I'll link to it somewhere, either under or in this video. And we got new tires. So instead of the orange ones that I had a big time fail with, and if you didn't see the bandsaw tire fail, you can look at that one. These are really stiff urethane tires that I've carried around for many years, and they just fell. They just snapped when I tried to put them on a couple weeks ago. So I ordered some new tires, and I didn't even trim these. I still left them 1.25 inches because I didn't really know any better at the moment. But the tires that came off were 1-inch wide rubber tires, black rubber tires. I tried putting these on just because I had them, and snapped them. So they snapped very easily, and I'm blaming it on just the fact that they were old and sitting in my garages and went through years of heat and cold cycles, and therefore held their shape and just did that. So that's $50 down the toilet. So I went to Carter Bandsaw Accessories, and I found these blue urethane tires, very flexible as you can see, but they came in 1.25 inches, and I trimmed them down to a 1-inch tire now. And if you want to see the video on trimming those up using a rotary cutter and a sewing mat, I'll link to it somewhere, either again below or somewhere else in this video. You might see a little blinking thing if I can figure out how to do that. So got them all trimmed up, ready to go, and got the pan of water on here. Just turned on the turned the heat on a few minutes ago, and it's going to take a while for this to warm up. So it's probably about 60 degrees out today, and just going to let the water warm up. Once it warms up, we'll soak the tires for a couple of minutes and then get them on. So again, got newspapers up here just to protect the saw from the wet tires themselves, and got a little bit of dish soap, just a couple of drops in this water, and it's going to heat up. Got it on high down here, and I'll see you then when the water's heated up and we're ready to get the tires. So I overheated the water. I left it sitting for too long. It got up to about 156, 157. I've just unplugged it and gonna let it cool off for a little while before I put these tires in. Last thing I want to do is ruin these, because these tires cost me about $85 shipped. I'm back. Here we are. Water's about the right temperature. I've had tires sitting and soaking in here for about 2 minutes. And I got gloves on, just basically to protect me from the heat. And we're going to start getting it up there. Now I have the cut side down in here, the side when I trimmed it. So I'm going to put the cut side towards the back of the machine. Great. Sorry for getting in the way, but I'll try and just get this on here. Here we go. Alright, now I'm going to take the fancy little spoon wrench, and you know, I've seen people do this with a with just a blunted dowel also, but since I have these, I figured I'd use it. And again, it's just a spoon. These are for putting bicycle tires on. And I've had them for bicycle. I didn't go out and buy them specifically for this, but as long as it works, it'll work. And there we are. Sorry about that. Alright, now I'm just going to go around and make sure that it's centered. Everything's where it needs to be. And just making sure that it all comes right to the edge all the way around on this one. Alright, that's it. Gonna repeat the process for the bottom tire.